Hey everyone, I'm at home today bringing you another soup video. This one hits quite close to me. I've grown up in a Southeast Asian household. This is called ABC soup. Let's get started. Let's explain ABC soup. So the reasoning behind ABC soup is because, first of all, it really is super easy as ABC. And secondly, you get all your vitamins. Carrots for vitamin A, potatoes for vitamin B, and tomatoes for vitamin C. Additionally, I've put some celery and some sweet corn and some chicken to enhance the flavour of the soup. Let's get started. These are the ingredients you need for this soup. Let's open up the chicken drumsticks. So for today's ABC soup, I'm using chicken drumsticks. Now you can use spare ribs as well as a soup base, or you can go without any meat. So a vegetarian version. Corn gives your soup sweetness. Let's deal with the tomatoes first. Now you can cut them in whatever shape you like, okay? But I would recommend cutting it into a bigger chunk. You can even just have them like this. You can cut them into wedges. Tomatoes will also provide sweetness for your soup. Onion. Slice it into chunks. Onion also provides a lot of flavour for your soup. Just chuck it into, put your tomatoes in there as well. Good thing about this soup is you can just put everything into one big pot. Potato. Potato is a great source of vitamin B. One quick tip for you guys when you're cooking is always have a bin nearby because it will make your cooking life a lot more easier. Just cut into chunks like so. Straight into the bowl. Carrots. Carrot provides a lot of sweetness and it's great for vitamin A. Slice your carrots into small chunks. You can kind of cut and roll at the same time. Okay, so you get nice equal pieces of that. In Chinese, we call this 滚刀块 because you are literally slicing and rolling at the same time. Celery, take off the end, give it a quick wash and just slice into chunks. Okay, alright, and there you are. There's your vegetable bowl. If you like, finally chop up some spring onions for later. And with all your ingredients ready, let's get cooking. Get yourself a nice big pot, put all your ingredients in. Chicken in, corn in. Add cold water into the pot and turn on the heat. It might look like it's very full right now, but as it cooks, all the vegetables will soften up and release all its flavors. So bring this to a boil. See you in a bit. Cheers guys. Alright guys, so it's been about 45 minutes. So as you can see, it is nicely bubbling away. Just be careful when you open the lid, as it can be quite hot. And look at that, all the flavors and color. How can you check if your soup, well, you can first of all try with a potato. Get yourself like a spoon, and if you see the potato can cut easily, right? That should be ready. So to season, half a tablespoon of salt here because it's quite a big pot. Some white pepper. And if you like, you can put some chicken powder in as well. So just about half a teaspoon will be alright. Give it a mix. It smells divine. So just give that another 2 minutes. Off the heat. And now we serve. Brilliant. Spring onions for garnish. Just a touch. Ooh, right, let's give it a try. It's amazing. This soup brings back memories. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Hope you learned something new from today. And I'll catch you next time. Bye! How to make... Hey, get down the table. Hello.